Alright guys, just finished up the Viper alarm on the 2001 Chevy Silverado Z71 1500. Comes with 2 remotes, brand new. Lock, all the locks work. Unlock, shock sensor, siren, flashing LED lights, all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how this thing works a little bit. So right now it is armed. Got a little LED light up there. The other thing we did on it as well was replace 2 front speakers with the Pioneer 6.5 because the original ones sounded terrible. They were already all blown. We tinted the 2 front windows. We did 1 step lighter than the rears, which is our 32%. Really good film, lifetime warranty. We didn't want to go too dark. Anyways, right now that the alarm is armed, I want to show you guys how the shock sensor works. So the shock sensor has an adjustment where you can make it super sensitive or not too sensitive. So right now, for an example, I lowered it just because mufflers were passing by and it was going off. So I don't want the customer having issues at night where if there's a loud muffler passing by, the alarm's going off. We don't want that. So I did lower the sensitivity on the shock sensor. Okay, so it's going to give you a warning chirp. So if you hit it hard enough, it's going to go off. You can hear the siren is pretty loud. You got the flashing lights, both sides. Okay, so that's the way the shock sensor works. Now, this also has a door trigger. So let's say for an example, let's arm it again. Okay, these are really known trucks to where people break this off and open it. So we did connect the door triggers. So let's say if somebody was to jam something in here and open it. With the alarm being armed, it's gonna go off. Same thing, you know, all that good stuff's gonna work. It's got the kill switch, so it will not start at all. Until the alarm is disarmed. We got a little flashing LED light up there. That's also our programming button if we need to program anything. So there it is. Oh, here it is. This is the alarm we installed on it. The one-way security system. Man, this thing looks 3105E. Really good alarm. This is a really good setup from Viper. I don't install anything but Viper alarms just because they don't give you any problems. If you go aftermarket and add any other cheap alarm, you're gonna have problems. So Viper's been really good, so I like to stick with that. That's it, guys. If you guys need any alarm or gun or any type of installations, make sure to hit us up here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Let's go.